Hey guys, it's Eva Ego here and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Go ahead and hit the subscription button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of the uploads that I put on my channel. And if you are an oldie but goodie, thanks so much for sticking around with the Ego fam. Go ahead and follow me on all of my social media. I'll list it right here. And also you guys can check out the info button here in the corner for any other videos. In today's tutorial, you guys, I did something very festive. I think I've only done a cut crease once on my channel, so I was like, you know what? Your girl needs to do another one. I try to simplify it for you guys as much as possible, the way I like to do my cut crease. So I am really digging this look, and of course I have the festive wig on. Somebody needs to like hook me up with like, you know, a blonde wig or something like that, or like a silver one, you know. If you guys want to know where I get these nails from, if you go on Instagram and look up Aurora Fire, I will list it right here so that you guys can do that, and I will also list it below in the description box. Go ahead and follow her on Instagram. She is an awesome nail technician here in Chocolate City in New Orleans. And yeah, purple is my favorite color. They are a little long for my taste, but right now I'm being a little extra. Okay, and these are press on, you guys. I have not done press ons in so long. I love the like the little holographic, like those are so cute. I like the little holographic strips on there. That's cute. And I think it goes pretty nice with the festive hair and the festive makeup look. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, then by all means, please continue to watch. Okay, so first things first, what we're gonna do is start off with our eyeshadow primer. And as usual, I use my eyeshadow base by NYX. I'm just gonna apply this eyeshadow base. You guys already know my routine. Again, if you do not, then I guess you need to go back and watch some of my other videos. Pat it into the lid. So to create this look, we're gonna use two highly pigmented palettes. The first palette being the Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place. And the second palette is going to be the Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start out with a super pigmented bright pink color, and we're gonna start out with Bori, and this is the number 19 tapered crease brush by Sephora, and this is, as you can see, this is extremely pigmented. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that to my lid as so, on the outer corner. Wow, that was nasty, dude. That was real nasty. We are going to take this across the entire crease. Okay. Now I'm going to take my crease shadow brush from Sephora, and I'm just going to use that to blend it upwards. So now I'm going to take a small round fluffy brush, and this is one from BIH Cosmetics, and I'm going in with the shade Zobo in the same Masquerade palette, and we're just going to start deepening the crease. So the key to this look is every time you lay down a shadow, you want to go ahead and blend it. So I'm going to go back in with that crease shadow brush by Sephora and just blend that into that hot pink color. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with this deep purple shade here. And this is by Makeup Forever. This is the M928. It is very beautiful. It's a matte color. And now I'm going to start taking this to the outer V portion of my lid Going back in with the crease shadow brush, I'm going to blend that upward. Okay, so now to get the outer part and the crease a lot darker, we are going to go in with black. So I'm going to take my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, and I'm going in with the shade Abyss, which is a really nice black. So I'm going to take that same round fluffy brush, and I'm going to start to pat on the black and bring this to the outer V as well and pull it into the crease. Okay, so going back in with the Pro Taper crease brush, I'm going to go back into the purple shade by Makeup Forever, and I'm going to go over the black and over the harsh line because I want to create a really nice transition between the black and the hot pink that we apply in the crease. Take a clean fluffy brush, which I've already used this brush to blend out this side, to blend out and blend in. Okay, you want that to be very seamless. Now I'm going to go in and cut my crease, and to do that I'm going to go in with a concealer, and this is the Sephora Bright Future in the shade Eclair. I think that's how you pronounce it, Eclair. And I'm going to take this lip brush and I'm just going to put a little bit on the back of my hand like so, and pick up some concealer with my lip brush, and I'm just going to cut my crease. In order to cut your crease properly, what you want to do is look straight ahead and see where your lid begins to fold, like where the crease begins to fold. And wherever that begins to fold, you want to go slightly above it so that you don't have any color transfer. And I hope that made sense. I hope that made sense. So you're just going to look straight ahead. And wherever your crease folds, so wherever your crease folds, you want to go right above it. We're going to go into the Nubian 2, and we're going to go in with the shade Morocco using a flat brush. And we're going to start at the center of the crease and slightly overlap it to the black that we put down. You're not going to set it or anything. You do not need to set the concealer that you applied to your lid. I like to put mine on a slant. I don't know, it just feels like it comes out a lot better when you do it that way. So to brighten the orange just a little bit, I'm going to go in with the Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette. So that's this nice orange shade here at the top corner that I'm going to use. I'm going to take the same flat brush that I used to put down Morocco, and I'm just going to pat on that color right on top. And now we're going to go in with the yellow shade that's right there in the middle. Same brush, and we're going to start patting that on to the inner lid. And all you do is just slightly overlap it onto the orange, and that is how you create a very nice ombre effect. And that's how you get a seamless transition. So going in with the fluffy brush, the small fluffy brush, we are going to blend the black into the orange. Okay, so now that that is done, I'm going to take this little eyeliner brush, and this came with a liquid eyeliner that I got from Tarte, and I don't use it anymore, so, and go in with that deep purple that we use from Makeup Forever, and just along the cut crease area, just that line, we're going to literally like outline right there. Now the reason why you do that is because that's gonna force the cut crease to stand out just a little bit more, especially for the next step that I am about to do. So now what I'm going to do is take this NYX Cosmetics, this is Liquid Crystal Body Liner, and this is in the shade Crystal Gold, and I'm going to take a little bit of that and literally put it right here along where the cut crease is, and kind of filter it into the black just a little bit. Now what I'm going to do is go ahead and clean up under the eye, because what I want to do is a wing just like I did on this side, and then we're going to go ahead and complete the under eye area, or the bottom lid rather. So I'm going to go ahead and line my lid with the Double Take eyeliner from Tarte Cosmetics. Now for mascara, I'm going in with my Maybelline The Colossal Big Shot Mascara in Baddest Black. So for lashes, I'm going to go in with Eyelure Cosmetics by Jasmine Brown and Curly Queen. For my foundation, I'm going to use the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, and this is in the shade Cadiz. If you guys want to see a review on this foundation, you can go ahead and hit the info button there, and it'll take you directly to the video. I'm going to take a clean round brush, round fluffy brush, and I'm going to go in with this hot pink shade that's here in the Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions, and I'm going to sweep that onto the bottom lid here. So now that that's done, I'm going to take a smudge brush and go in with this really deep teal shade here, and I'm going to put a little bit of that very close to the waterline. So for blush, we're gonna go in with MAC's Peachy Keen. So I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, and this is in Molten Rose Gold. For my lips, I'm gonna go in with the ColourPop lip pencil, and this is in the shade BFF3. This is Kat Von D and Vaha 5. Okay guys, so that is the finished and final look that you see here. I went on ahead and popped a little bit of the Fenty Beauty in the inner corners. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and go ahead and hit the subscription button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of the uploads. Please do not be a lurker. 62% of you guys watching this video are not subscribed to my channel. I watch the statistics and the analytics, so I know, I see it all the time on my app. So go ahead and hit the subscription button, you guys. Let's go ahead and make it to 500 subscribers. And don't forget that once I hit a milestone of 500 subscribers, I will be giving away a bronzing brush. Be sure to like, comment, share it out, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. And that is it, you guys. I will see you in the next video. Love, peace, and hair grease.